Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix taskbar missing in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is just simply tap on your keyboard Control Shift Escape, and from here you should be able to see the task manager, and from here just simply go ahead and click on the Windows Explorer over here and just simply right click on it, guys, and now just simply click on restart over here, and from there you should be able to fix the issue and you should be able to see it now. Guys, if it still doesn't, just simply tap on your keyboard the Windows key and the letter P, and from here, guys, if you have multiple monitors, you should be able to fix it over here. So make sure you toggle only the PC screen only over here, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't, what you could try to do is just simply go to the task manager again and go to Windows Explorer, and now, guys, just simply end task over here, and from there you should be able to fix the issue, or you can just simply restart your computer. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.